Do you know? What are acid-base indicators? How they work? What is the chemistry of these indicators? If your answer is no, then this video is for you. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand answers of all these questions. So let's begin. The term indicate means to show or point out. Indicators are the substances that are added to solution to show or indicate their pH. Indicators can actually help us tell the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution through a color change. This is because almost all the indicators have two main colors, which they can turn. For example, indicator methyl red can be yellow or red, depending on the pH of solution it's added to. Below the pH 5.5, methyl red turns red, but above that pH, methyl red is yellow. So, depending upon the color we see, we can get information about the pH of solution. Indicators are intensely colored organic compounds. There are many different indicators, and different indicators change color at different pH. So, we use these indicators in various situations, depending upon the unique pH range of each indicator. Most indicators are either weak acids or bases, meaning that they exist in equilibrium. This equilibrium can be written as H goes to form hydrogen ion and indicator ion. Here, N stands for indicator in this equilibrium. So, Hn is the acidic form of indicator, and indicator ion is the basic form of indicator. Interestingly, the acidic form and basic form of indicators have different colors. Let's say the acidic form of indicator is purple and basic form is yellow for this specific indicator. We can explain how all indicators work through Le Chatelier's principle. According to this principle, if we impose a change in any condition on a chemical system at equilibrium, the equilibrium will shift to minimize the disturbance. Let's imagine we have a solution and we add some indicator into it. Currently, the indicator is in equilibrium with its ions. Let's see, what would happen if this solution was acidic? Initially, there is going to be an increase in the concentration of hydrogen ions from the acidic solution, which disturbs the equilibrium of indicator. Following Le Chatelier's principle, equilibrium will shift towards left to decrease hydrogen ion concentration and to minimize disturbance. So, hydrogen ions and indicator ions will combine to form Hn. This results in increase in concentration of purple Hn, making the solution turn purple. But what about if we add base into the solution? Well, adding the base disturbs the equilibrium by decreasing hydrogen ion concentration. Because hydroxide ions from base will combine with the hydrogen ions forming water. Following Le Chatelier's principle, the equilibrium will shift towards right to replace the decreased concentration of hydrogen ions. Hn will break down into hydrogen ions and indicator ions. As a result, concentration of yellow indicator ions increases in solution. So, solution turns yellow. So, in this way, acid-base indicators indicates the pH range of solution by changing color. Point to remember here is that acid-base indicator does not give exact pH of solution, but rather give a pH range.